You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with long addition. The final result is 4 billion. Let's solve it step by step. Rewrite the numbers from top to bottom, aligned by their place values. Add up the digits in each column, from right to left. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 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 1 plus 3 equals 4. And so the final result is 4 billion.